Hi everyone, today I'm going to do a tutorial on these little butterfly buttons and how to glitter them up and stuff. A couple of you wanted to know how I did it, so I'm going to show you. I have a little piece of wire here. If I had to guess the gauge, I'd say it's, I don't know, maybe 18. Maybe 18. And this is, let me see how much I have here. I have about 3 inches here. So for the antenna, I'm just gonna bring it up like this. And I'm gonna just curl the ends. Now, I don't know how this is gonna work because my other one's in my other bag and I don't really use this one, so let's see how it does. It might be fine. I don't know. Actually, let me do it this way. And just curl it down. Same thing with this side. Curl it down some. Okay, and then we're kind of gonna just bend it a little bit this way. Same thing with this one. Bend it this way. Yeah, this is messing up. I don't have the right tool. Let me see if I can just do it with my hand. Just bend a little bit. Straighten it out. Always when it's on camera. Always, always, always. And then I just take it and I glue it to the back. We're gonna do this first before we do the glitter. Or you can do the glitter and everything, and then the next day when it dries, you can do the antenna part. Or you don't have to do the antenna part at all if you don't want to. All right, and so I'm just gonna stick it back here a little bit, and I'm gonna go. This is a real whimsical one, I'll tell you that. Let's see, get this. That to stay there for a minute. Yeah, I definitely needed my smaller one. What are you gonna do? Okay. And you can kind of play around with it a bit. Alright, and you can pull all the hot glue off it. That's stuck, but anyway, we'll leave that for now. Now, the next part I do is I get my triple thick and I just put a little bit on the wings with some glitter, but I don't have that right now because it's at work. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this Recollections blush. It is like a glitter glue. And I'm just going to go over the wings with that. I'm going to use a generous amount. Because you know, when this dries, it's going to go down a bit. So I'll put a generous amount on that. And then we'll do this side. So as you know, the glossy accents would leave it clear. A glassy clear look, or a glossy clear look. So since I don't have that, this is going to be a different kind of look that you're going to get, but it's still good. There's nothing wrong either way. So I did that. Okay. Now for this part, you can use any kind of glitter. Chunky, fine, whatever. But I happen to have fine right here. And I am going to use this pink. And it is called Cherry Blossom. You get this from Walmart. They have all different kind of glitters. My favorite glitter from them is Snowy Surprise. It's like a it's like a blue. It's like an iridescent, but it's got blue in it. It's really pretty, and I don't know why this isn't working. Hold on a second. I just want to sprinkle some of this on. Oh, that's why I never took the thing off of it. Okay, so I'm going to set this. Let's see, this has to be popped out too. Oh, all these instructions. You could tell I've never done this before because I just pour it on. There's like a little cutout here for that. You know what? I don't have time for that. Whatever. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to sprinkle. I'll take it with my hand. And take a little bit. Just sprinkle it on. Like that. And that's really it. And when it dries, you can have a pretty sparkly butterfly. The only difference that is that if I had the triple thick with me right now, you would see a lot of clear with just the sparkle inside it. But now you're gonna just see the more pink with the sparkle I put in. So that is my little tutorial on a little whimsical butterfly that you can dress up your buttons. Your wooden buttons. You could also put a little gemmy in here. Actually, I usually put I usually put the body there. So let's do that. I'm kind of liking the way it looks now, but I'll do that. So I have all different kinds of rhinestone trim. I have black, I have clear, I have this AB finish. If anyone's like, what is AB finish? That just means it's like the Aurora Borealis finish. So it's got all light colors when it hits the light. So you'll have pinks and blues, very light pinks and blues and purples in there. That's what AB means, if anyone's wondering. So, all right, I'll do this part too because usually I do this on my other butterflies and I just forgot to do it. So you're going to just take a few links off. I'm going to take 3, but this is 4mm. So if it was 2mm, I think that'd be enough. But 3 might be too much. But I'm going to put 3. I'm going to try to force 3 anyway. And then if I just have to cut 1, I cut 1. Let me see. Let me see how bad that's going to be if I did 3. Well, let's just do it with the 3. So I'm going to get a little bit of hot glue. Put it there. And then put down. Sometimes if you scrunch it up enough, it's fine. See, you know what will come in handy now? Those tweezers Damien got me. Yeah, let me get that and fix it. He probably heard me. He's going to come in. Hey, you're using my tweezers? If I know him. I heard you using those tweezers. All right. Hold on. This, I'm telling you, this is really easy. Hold on a minute. Let me put in more glue. Stick this on there. Come on. Don't do this to me in a video. It's not right, yo. It's not right. There we go. Oh, and of course I have glue everywhere. So let me put on a little bit more of this because now I messed it up when I did the body. But you know, that won't happen to you. It's just happened because it's a video. And you know how that happens when you're trying to show something. Okay, so let's get a little bit more just to put on that wing. There we go. And then if you want, you can take it and just tip it over a couple times, get all the excess off. And there you have the pretty butterfly with the body in the middle. Yeah, I guess the body is good. It makes it. It makes it. If you don't have that trim, that's okay. Do it without it. Or you could put some pearls there. I've done that too. So that's my little tutorial on the wood bead butterflies and how you can doctor them up a bit. I hope you enjoyed it. So thanks for watching. Happy crafting, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.